Welcome to Freedom Fully, where we explore living fully and aging gracefully.
Welcome to Freedom Fully, my health-conscious friends. Today we're tackling something that can significantly impact both your health and the environment, gradually reducing plastic in your home, especially in areas where it comes into contact with food and personal care items. If you're concerned about the potential health effects of plastic, but feel overwhelmed by the idea of replacing everything at once, this gradual switch plan is perfect for you. We'll create a manageable, budget-friendly approach that prioritizes the most important changes first. Over the video, we'll guide you through a room-by-room, priority-based plan for reducing plastic in your home. We'll focus on changes that have the biggest health impact first, and I'll share practical alternatives that work well for seniors. Let's start by understanding why reducing plastic exposure can actually make a meaningful difference, especially as we age. Many plastics contain chemicals, like BPA or phthalates, that can leach into food and beverages, particularly when containers are heated, scratched, or older. Even small exposures over time can accumulate in the body. As we get older, our bodies naturally become less efficient at filtering out toxins. This means that limiting unnecessary chemical exposure, like the ones from certain plastics, can support our overall health. While you don't need to be alarmed, being mindful can help reduce risks related to hormone disruption, inflammation, and even certain chronic conditions. Reducing plastic use isn't just about your health. It also leaves a better world for our grandchildren. Less plastic means less pollution, fewer chemicals in our waterways, and more sustainable resource use. Plus, many plastic alternatives like glass and stainless steel are durable and reusable, which can actually save money in the long run. Pause 3. Not all plastic replacements are equally important, so it's helpful to prioritize. Think of it like a ladder. Start with the highest impact areas first, then gradually expand. Not all plastic replacements are equally important, so it's helpful to prioritize. Think of it like a ladder. Start with the highest impact areas first, then gradually expand. Begin with items that touch food, especially those exposed to heat or acidic foods. Replace plastic food storage containers, water bottles, and cooking utensils first. This is where plastic can directly affect what you eat and drink. Next, consider personal care products. Many shampoos, lotions, and soaps are stored in plastic bottles, and chemicals can interact with the packaging. Switching to bars, refillable bottles, or glass packaging reduces exposure over time. Finally, household items like decorative containers or cleaning supply bottles can be replaced gradually. Focus on replacing them as they wear out or break to avoid unnecessary expense. Pause 3. Swap out plastic containers for glass options with tight-fitting lids. For dry goods like grains or flour, stainless steel jars work beautifully. Beeswax wraps are excellent for covering bowls or wrapping sandwiches, and they're reusable and compostable. Switch to glass or stainless steel water bottles. Glass pitchers are ideal for storing water, juices, or teas. Adding a water filter at home reduces the need for bottled water entirely, cutting down on plastic waste. Plastic cutting boards can harbor bacteria and are more likely to leach chemicals. Wooden or bamboo boards are safer and easier to maintain. Use stainless steel or wooden utensils and choose glass or ceramic serving dishes to reduce your exposure further. Pause 3. For the bathroom, try solid shampoo or conditioner bars, which often come without any packaging. Refillable containers from natural brands are great too, and many senior-friendly formulas are now available in sustainable packaging. Switch to bamboo toothbrushes. They're biodegradable and just as effective. Look for toothpaste in glass jars or metal tubes, and explore natural mouthwash options in glass bottles. These small swaps add up to reduce plastic use significantly. Opt for glass jars for creams and lotions, and explore DIY options with natural ingredients like coconut oil or shea butter. Refillable cosmetics are becoming more widely available, and they're a stylish and sustainable choice. You don't need to replace everything at once. Only replace items as they wear out, break, or run out. This spreads the cost over time and reduces waste. Making your own alternatives at home is easier than you might think. Beeswax wraps, natural cleaning products, and simple personal care items are budget-friendly and fun to create. Look for stores offering bulk or refill options for personal care and cleaning products. Buying in bulk reduces packaging waste and can save money over time. Pause 3. Think about care and maintenance. Glass, stainless steel, and wood last much longer when properly cared for. Learn how to season wooden cutting boards, clean glass containers without harsh chemicals, and maintain stainless steel items to prevent rust and staining. Bring your own containers to bulk stores, choose products based on packaging, and plan your shopping with a plastic-free mindset. Over time, these habits will become second nature. Once high-priority areas are mastered, slowly extend plastic reduction to other parts of the home, keeping costs and energy in mind. Remember, even small steps make a difference. Pause 3. Congratulations on taking the first steps toward reducing plastic in your home. Every change, big or small, contributes to better health for you and a cleaner environment for future generations. Focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate each replacement as a victory for your well-being. Thank you so much for joining me here on Freedom Fully. I hope today's video inspired you to live a little freer, a little more mindfully, and a little closer to the life you truly want. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a moment of mindful living, travel, and sustainable tips. And remember, small, intentional changes create big, lasting freedom in your life. Until next time, stay mindful, stay curious, and live with freedom fully.